Following up tonight after a bucket of kittens is found taped shut on the side of the road in southeast Portland.
We have some new video of the survivors being taken to the Multnomah County Animal Shelter. He'll stay there until he weighs enough to get neutered. Tonight, KOIN Local 6 reporter Casey Montoya has the latest on the search for whoever dumped that kitten and a look at what may be behind the crime.
It's kitten season and shelters are so packed, some of them aren't taking any more drop-offs. So what are you supposed to do with unwanted kittens? Well, you better find a shelter to take them. Abandoning animals is a crime. This little white kitten is the lone survivor in a litter of 5. He managed to live in a plastic bucket, taped shut, and left on the side of the road with his 4 litter mates dead inside.
Animal Services does about 1,300 abuse and neglect investigations every year, so that's an average of about 4 a day, sadly, and obviously this would definitely fall into that category.
A Good Samaritan found the bucket Friday night on 187th between Burnside and Stark. The 5 kittens were rushed to Dove Lewis, but only this little guy survived. This case of animal abandonment brings attention to a bigger problem. Too many kittens, not enough homes. Animal rescue groups say there is a solution.
Spay and neuter. Every kitten does not need to be born. If they're going to end up in a shelter facing euthanization before they're 3 months old, we really need to change our thoughts about kitties and spays and neuters.
Rescue organizations across the Portland Metro are making it easy for people who think they can't afford it.
For low-income families, please call us. We can help you. We have spay and neuter services for as low as $10 per cat.
Just call back in a couple days to see if we have space.
And cats like Barnaby, who's been at the shelter since December, have nowhere to go. Other rescue groups like Oregon Friends of Shelter Animals are trying to help, taking as many as a dozen at a time to their location to make room for what seems like the never-ending kitten boom. Abandoning animals is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by 6 months in jail and a fine of up to $2,500. A more serious crime, aggravated animal abuse, could land you in jail for 5 years, facing fines of up to $150,000. Multnomah County officials are hoping your tips can help find whoever left that bucket on the side of the road. If you know anything, you're asked to call the tip line 503-988-PETS. Reporting for you in Vancouver, Casey Montoya, KOIN Local 6.